Hi, this is the question from magnetostatics. A long straight conductor with radius A has magnetic field strength H is equal to I rho by 2 pi A square A phi within the conductor, that is rho less than A, and H is equal to I divided by 2 pi rho A phi outside the conductor, rho greater than A. Find the current density in both the regions, inside the conductor and outside the conductor. So very simple question, but it's a very important question also. Let us see how to answer this question. What is the given information is that? The given information is that a conductor is given. So say what is the radius of the conductor? The radius of the conductor is, say, A. This conductor is carrying a current of I, which is uniformly distributed over the entire radius of the conductor. The current I is uniformly flowing through the entire surface of the conductor. If you take the front view, of this conductor, the front view of the conductor looks like this. So this is A, the radius A. So this is carrying a current of I. What is the given information? H within the conductor. So H, it is given H, the magnetic field intensity H is given inside the conductor and the magnetic field intensity H outside the conductor. What it is asked? It is asked to find out the current density within is inside the conductor and the current density outside the conductor. So these are the two given problems. To answer this question, we use Maxwell's equation. Del cross H is equal to J from Ampere circuit law. We use this equation to find out current density because H is given. To find out the current density, we use this relation which is from Ampere circuit law. So the differential elements, so therefore what is J? So the differential elements, in cylindrical coordinate system are d rho, very important, d rho, rho d phi, dz. Here h1 is equal to 1, h2 is equal to rho, h3 is equal to 1. So remember this because very important differential elements in cylindrical coordinate system. Now let us take the first case. What we want to find out? J inside this. So that is J we are finding out inside the conductor. So therefore for this case, so what is J? So J is written as del cross H. So write the formula of del cross H. So that is 1 by H1, H2, H3. So that is 1 by rho. Multiply first row by H1, H2, H3 and last row by H1, H2, H3. So A rho, H1 into A rho, H2 into A phi, unit vector A phi, H3 into AZ. The second row, because of cylindrical coordinate system, dou by dou rho, dou by dou phi, dou by dou z, cylindrical coordinate system. The last row is because what is the H is given inside the conductor? The H is given inside the conductor is H is equal to I rho divided by 2 pi A square into A phi. So this is H inside this conductor. So therefore what we will do is that since A rho component is 0, H1 into A rho, H2 into A phi component H2, that is I rho square, rho into I rho by rho, 2 pi A square is I rho square by 2 pi A square. Since there is no AZ component, we write it as 0. Simple. Now, so we write 1 by rho into A rho into 0 minus rho A phi into 0. Simply AZ component will come here. So AZ into dou by dou rho of this component is 2 I rho by 2 pi A square. So here 2 gets cancels out, rho gets cancels out. The answer will come out as J is equal to I by pi A square into the current direction. Current density direction is in AZ direction. So what is this current density? This is the current density inside the conductor. So that is we have to write rho less than A. So this is the first one, the current density inside the conductor. Now let us do the Second one, current density outside the conductor. So that is what? The current density we want to find out outside the conductor. So therefore what is H outside the conductor is given? H is equal to I divided by 2 pi rho into Fi. With this equation, the current density varies, magnetic field intensity varies outside the conductor. Use the same formula. J is equal to del cross H, 1 by H1, H2, H3 is 1 by rho, H1 into A rho, rho A phi, Az, similar manner. The second row is simple, dou by dou rho, dou by dou phi, dou by dou z. A rho component in H is 0, H, substitute H components, rho into A phi, so this will come out as I by 2 pi, so F z component is 0. From this you can clearly see that A rho into 0 minus 0 minus rho phi into 0 minus 0 plus Az into dou by dou rho of constant is 0 minus dou by dou phi is 0. So therefore the entire answer will come out 0. So this is current density outside the conductor. So that is current density outside the conductor rho greater than A. So this is the current density inside the conductor I by pi a square Az. The current density outside the conductor is 0. So this is the answer what you have to write in the examination to get full marks in the examination. Very simple question. Thank you.